What smells like morning when you're making coffee? Pull my car into the garage, except for the fact the entire garage is open, so I would literally have to be driving blind in order to maybe hit something, because there's 2 car spots in here. So so close to hitting this. Oh my, look at that. It was so close. Like if I had moved just a little bit more, like 1.5 feet more, I may have hit this. Maybe. It's possible. Okay, time to pack up my car a little bit. That is for certain. This needs so much vacuuming. Alright, so put some stuff in the car. Ben's back from his doctor's appointment. Let Oscar outside to roam the wild green wonder. And now, just gotta get ready to spend another day with my family. Gonna go do stuff, starting with lunch. So, what we gotta do now is get ready. So, let's do that. And there we go. Ready to go. Just gotta get my shoes on. Not gonna wear real shoes because I don't want to. There we go. Go grab my keys. Let's get out of here and go to lunch. Welcome to the Steak and Shizzle. My fizzle. Here to get the burgers. Which is, you know, buggers. It is packed.
Let's see what she eats on a daily vacation. Yeah, but the other flavors I think are pricey.
That's nice. Quick, Ben! Grab the snake repellent! He's playing Switch. Look at him go.
Okay, that's mine.
He's playing Switch. He's going hard.
Okay, cool.
Going hard.
Oh, good. Okay.
Get it, Oscar. Get it. Come on, you can win. I believe in you. I believe in you. Pikachu. Look at the cuteness. The cuteness. Oscar, did you find yourself a pillow? Did you find yourself a pillow there? Yeah, is it comfortable? Does it feel good to you? Yeah, you gaming hard?
Yeah, it looks better.
It's dinner time, and guess where we're eating? Oof, yes, Waterford's own Jukebox Pizza. I'm zoomed in, it's okay. Yum, 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 yum. Some of the best pizza ever. You gotta taste it before you can make judgments. Leftovers of this glorious meal. So good. Now I'm just gonna pack it up to go. Yep, leave it there. Just put that in the car and I'll be completely fine. No worries. Oh. Wow, look at the beautiful sun. Oh. Goodbye. 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 Au revoir. Auf Wiedersehen. Goodbye. Bye.